So the podium celebrations for the opening Grand Prix of Italy are about to commence. We stay quiet there for good reason, of course. It's always fantastic to hear that unique insight, fresh off out of Park Ferme, fresh off their bikes, to hear the initial post-race thoughts of the race winner F.Bagnaia, F.Quartararo and the late A.Espargaro. But your podium celebration then here will kick off at the end of a pulsating round 8 here in Mugello, the opening Grand Prix of Italy.
Don't forget, we still have racing to come here this afternoon. Stay with us for the FIMNL Moto World Cup Race 2, which follows us here with the MotoGP race at Mugello. A.Espargaro, essentially you book him in at around 3 o'clock on a Sunday afternoon to take his place on that third position spot on the podium. F.Quartararo, one of many second places that he'll celebrate, quite as much as that one. And then a feeling that every Italian rider dreams of, standing on the top step of the podium at Mugello, and to do it on an Italian bike for an Italian team. Well, that is the view of the sky as the arms are raised aloft for F.Bagnaia as he emerges onto the podium. Surely the sweetest victory of F.Bagnaia's Grand Prix career. His 6th victory in the Premier Class, the 16th of his career, but his first here at Mugello. Luis Francesco, the Luxottica group manager, hands over the trophy. Ducati, their 5th victory in 8 starts in 2022. A.Espargaro, his 4th consecutive podium. He stays firmly in World Championship contention, just 8 points behind F.Quartararo. Eugenio Gianni, the president of the Tuscany region, gives him yet another 3rd place trophy. Even though A.Espargaro, the measure of his progress, he's thinking like a World Championship contender. He wants much more than pick 3. He wants the World Championship in 2022. Giovanni Coppioli, president of the Motorcycle Federation of Italy, he will give F.Quartararo the 2nd place prize. As much as the trophy will mean a lot to F.Quartararo, it's the 20 points that he will cherish as he heads to Catalunya next weekend. The circuit, of course, he claimed his first ever MotoGP podium in 2019. And the FIM president, George Viegas, will give F.Bagnaia the trophy, but he will certainly put in pride of place at home. F.Bagnaia takes yet another victory, a home victory for him after the disappointment of Le Mans. Pecco puts it right at Mugello here this afternoon.
Better sight or sound for Italian fans here in Mugello to see an Italian rider on a Ducati on the top step of the podium here in Mugello. The latest man to do so, and at that proud moment is F.Bagnaia, his 35th career podium finish. One of his Ducati team members, a proper Prosecco pasting there, doesn't he? That man certainly enjoyed the experience in revelling in these podium celebrations, and why not, because that was a great job by his man Bagnaia after the